RZLV stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Now, as the only guy in the space with an actual track record myself, 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working, what's not, and it's all documented now, especially with the Rezolve. Mate, look at this beauty, you know, like I'm in this beautiful bullish idea where the price already gave me a shift and I was like, okay, I'm looking to take it up. If it goes beneath $2.83, then it's a whole different freaking thing, and I'm not even gonna, you know, that's gonna be recorded as a -1R, which is a loss, and that's fine. It's part of the game, but it's still, we're not there, so I'm gonna wait to see how that's gonna turn out to be. This is a very beautiful bullish call out that I also had while the price was at 206, and then, you know, it delivered to my top at 257. That's a +4R, and I'm still waiting, and I'm just still willing to catch the right timing to buy more. If you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, plus you get free stock picks. Goodbye, plus Discord.